What happens at a hearing test? Here's a look at what happens at a hearing test with HearingLife. Our hearing professional will sit down with you to discuss your hearing concerns, medical history, and lifestyle. This is followed by a physical ear exam. Your ears will be checked for earwax or any other irregularities in your ears. You will be placed in a sound booth where you will complete a series of tone, speech, and word tests. HearingLife goes above and beyond a baseline hearing test by relying on the following pillars: audiological, cognitive, psychological, and subjective nuances. That's it. Upon completion of your hearing test, you will get same-day results. If you have no hearing loss, great. We recommend you test your hearing at least once annually if you are over 60. If a hearing loss is detected, your hearing professional will provide you with a customized hearing solution. A hearing test is easy and takes about 30 minutes to complete. Book your free hearing test at HearingLife today.